In this video, I'm going to show you a Lightspeed POS tutorial. So it's one of the most popular retail management platforms designed to help businesses streamline their operations. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up, navigate, and make the most out of Lightspeed POS. Whether you're running a retail store, restaurant, or e-commerce business, this video will equip you with the essentials to manage sales, inventory, and customers efficiently. So first, what is Lightspeed POS? So Lightspeed POS is a cloud-based point of sale and retail management system that helps businesses of all sizes manage sales, inventory, employees, and customers. It's known for its all-in-one platform that integrates with both brick and mortar stores and online shops. Lightspeed offers industry-specific solutions, including retail, restaurant, and golf course management, making it a versatile tool for different types of businesses. With powerful analytics, multi-store support, and payment integrations, Lightspeed helps you improve operations and gain insights into business performance, whether you're at the store or managing remotely. So now let's go to our dashboard. So when you just created an account, you will receive this message of how do you want to get started. So you can either select I want to look around a demo store or I'm ready to set up my own store. And when would you like to start selling with Lightspeed Retail? So let's just say I don't know first. So now let's take a look around a demo store. So what do you currently use in your store? I'm just going to select nothing. Are you opening a new store? Yes, and click let's go. So now this would be how our store would look like. So first to use your Lightspeed store properly, you need to add some products. So as this is a demo store, it's saying right here, add some sample products. So you'll need to add your products first. So let's click here on add product. So just enter your product name. So select whether it's a standard product, a product with variants, or a composite product. So when we say standard product, we can select the supplier right here. We can select the SKU code type, SKU code, the supplier price, the markup, and the retail price. So when it's a product with variants, so this is a group of similar products with different attributes like size or color. So let's say this is clothing, which has different colors and sizes. So each variant is a unique SKU with its own inventory. So when we say composite product, this product is made up of specified quantities of one or more products. So a composite is a single SKU but uses the inventory of the products within it. And now let's just skip this, adding a product. And from here, we can practice making some sales. So they have this articles right here and reports. So once you've made few sales, you can now see how reporting can help you track your store's performance. So, and when you scroll down, you will see things to know, like getting started with Lightspeed Retail. Of course, the things to do, you can select this quick start guide. So if you want to really, or you're in a rush, you really want to get your store set up, just click here in the guide and follow it. They also have technical support right here, retail blog, and gift cards. So now let's go to the sell feature. So click on sell right here. So as you can see right here, this is your main register or main outlet. So you can now type or scan for your products. So let's say this is sample products. Let's select the freshly squeezed juice. And as you can see, It will automatically add this price right here. So click pay to continue the sale. This is how your POS would look like. You can also select cash and select the amount given by customer. So let's say they gave you $10, and this will be what the POS will print. So cash is $10, the change is 4.50, and that's basically how the POS would look like or would do if you're using it for your sales. So this is the main register, this is the closed register. You can also see your sales history right here, your cash management, status, settings, and codes. So let's just go to online. So if you're using this online, you can simply click here, start selling online, but the POS would look still the same. You can also see your retail dashboard right here. You can see this is how the dashboard will look like. You'll see your sales. You'll see graphs and tables right here. You'll see products sold, top salespeople, and all of that reports right here. You can also see sales reports, inventory reports, payment reports, register closures, gift card reports, store credit reports, tax reports, and user reports. So now let's go to our products. From here, you'll see all of your products, your promotions, your price books. As you can see, this is how the product will look like. You'll see if it's active. You can also set it to inactive if you are out of stock. You'll see also the inventory right here if it's out of stock. You can see your promotions, price books, brands, suppliers, product tags, product categories, and your gift cards, of course. Next is your services. So from here, you'll see services. So this is how it would look like. So in my case, there's no service found yet. You can also click here on all to see all of it. You'll see your inventory. From here, you'll see stock control. So you can manage your inventory also right here. Inventory counts, fulfillments, and serial numbers. Next is customers and groups. So you can add customers right here. So let's say you want to add a customer. You can add their first name, last name, their email, their contact number, and the customer group. Also groups right here. So that's basically all of the features of the Lightspeed POS. So just follow this guide or follow the articles that is right here, and make sure to click this quick start guide to make sure you know what to do when setting up your Lightspeed POS. So that's basically all for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.